Welcome to the Smart Wealth Builder channel. Investing in real estate offers the potential for wealth accumulation. However, like any investment, it is not without its drawbacks. While there are certainly advantages to investing in real estate, it's crucial to acknowledge and understand the potential disadvantages. In this video, we will explore 12 significant drawbacks associated with real estate investment. The first drawback is illiquidity. Real estate investments lack the liquidity of stocks and other financial assets. Converting property into cash is a time-consuming and costly process, making it unsuitable for those needing quick access to funds. The second drawback is the upfront costs involved in real estate transactions. These costs include substantial down payments, closing fees, inspections, and more. They can be prohibitive for some investors and limit diversification. The third drawback is the necessity for property management, particularly in the case of rental properties. Property owners must handle maintenance, tenant issues, and property management, which can be time-consuming and emotionally demanding. The fourth drawback is the market dependence of real estate investments. Real estate markets are sensitive to local economic conditions and trends. Changes in the local job market, economic downturns, or shifts in neighborhood desirability can significantly impact property values. The fifth drawback is the risk of property depreciation. Real estate is susceptible to property depreciation under certain circumstances. Neglect, economic shifts, or declining neighborhoods can lead to decreased property values. The sixth drawback is the ongoing property taxes and expenses associated with property ownership. These expenses include property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. These costs can reduce potential returns and are subject to change. The seventh drawback is the vulnerability to economic downturns. Real estate is not recession-proof. During economic downturns, property values can plummet, leading to financial losses for investors. Tenants may also struggle to pay rent during such times. The eighth drawback is the limited diversification possible with real estate investments. The capital commitment required for real estate can limit diversification, unlike the stock market where investors can easily spread their risk across various industries and companies. The ninth drawback is geographic constraints. Real estate investments tie investors to specific geographic locations, limiting flexibility for those seeking opportunities in other areas. The 10th drawback is the complex legal and regulatory challenges associated with real estate investment. Property disputes, tenant issues, and legal proceedings can be time-consuming and costly. The 11th drawback is the absence of guaranteed returns. Real estate does not guarantee returns. Market conditions and property performance can vary, and investors may experience periods of low or negative returns. The 12th drawback is the financing risks associated with real estate investments. Many investors use mortgage financing, introducing interest rate risk. Fluctuating interest rates can affect the cost of borrowing and the overall financial viability of an investment. In conclusion, while real estate offers wealth-building opportunities, it comes with a range of drawbacks. Understanding these drawbacks, including illiquidity, substantial upfront costs, property management responsibilities, vulnerability to market shifts, and the risk of property depreciation, is essential. To navigate these challenges effectively, investors must conduct thorough research, consider their investment goals, and maintain a long-term perspective. Employing appropriate strategies can help investors make informed decisions and maximize the potential benefits of real estate investment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, a thumbs up and a subscribe would mean a lot for me. Don't miss out on future content by hitting the notification bell. As you can see, this channel is new, so your feedback and comments are invaluable. See you next time.